Good morning, students. I am Satnam Kaur. Now, today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 4, expansion. In previous classes, we already done these formulas. Nothing is new, so simple sums are there, so please try to do it. Now, see, students, first formula is a plus this expansion chapter, a plus b whole square, a square, b square plus 2ab. Then a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, in our exercise, sums are given. To find the square, use the identities. Now find the square. That means I have to find the square of it. So that's why the value is given, like I have taken the fractional value. This value belongs to a and this value belongs to b. Now a square, then this b square, minus is there. So that's why minus 2 with this value a and this value b. Then just solve it, square of all the values, 3 square, a square, 2 square, b square. That means square of all the values. Now, see, next if the number is given, we have to see it is the above or below the number, round off. Like it is 100 plus 1. So I will take 100, it belongs to a, it belongs to b. Again formula a square plus b square plus 2ab and solve it the calculation. If the formula is below, then we use a minus b whole square because it is round off is 1000. 1000 minus 2 become 998. It belongs to a, it belongs to b. Now it become a square, b square minus 2ab and do the calculation, then we can solve it. So please try to do, students, so simple are sums here. So please try to do it. The next concept of chapter 4, expansion. The next formula is a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Whole cube means that we have to expand it. First a cube, then b cube, then with 3 these two value ab and again in bracket a plus b. If the a minus b whole cube, then a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b will be there. Now we will come on our sums. Next exercise, that is 4b. See, we have to find the cube of this value, or these values are given. If the cube is there, then simply this belongs to a and this belongs to b and formula become a minus b whole cube. If the values are given like this, because these are the some different concept from these are the simple to just put the value in formula, but in these sums we have to use some other. Now there is given square. That means I first use the formula of square, then I have to find the cube, then I will use the formula of cube. Now see it. This is given square. That means I will use the formula of square given according to the given value. Now see, students, the value is given this one, a square plus 1 upon a square 47, and I have to find the value of a plus 1 upon a. Now again formula of square, a plus b whole square. Now a, the value belongs to a, this value belongs to b, a square b square plus 2ab. Now in denominator numerator a will be cancelled with a. Now just solve it. I have to find this value is given, a square plus 1, this is equals to 47. That means I can put value here 47. Now it become 47, this become 249. There is square. This square become on that side square root and the a plus 1 upon a become 7. That means this first answer is there, a plus 1 upon a. Now next part is given a cube plus 1 upon a cube. That means I have to solve it for cube. Now single value is given, a plus 1 upon a, and I have to find the cube. That means I will taking a cube both side. Cube of this, and the formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube b cube 3a with b and a plus b. Now this a will be cancelled with this a, there will be only a, but a plus 1 upon a I already find, that is belongs to 7. That means I can keep the value there 7, but I have to find this value, a cube plus 1 upon a cube. A plus 1 upon a is our value 7, we already find. That means 7 cube, then this 21, then do the calculation and we can find it. Please try to do it expansion. Now see, students, a plus b already done, a cube, a plus b cube is already done. Now we are going up to next, a plus b plus c whole square. That become a square b square c square plus 2 ab bc ca. We have to learn. Don't learn with negative sign. There are too many formulas in our book like this one. Just learn this one formula. If the negative sign is given, we will put that negative sign in the our formula, then it become these formulas. So that no need to learn these formula. We have to learn only just this formula. Clear? Now, see our sum. The value is given x plus y minus z square. That means first value is x square, second value is y square, third value is minus z square. This minus z square now become positive because square is there. Then 2ab, 2 multiply xy, then 2bc, that means 2 multiply yz, but z is negative, so that's why it become plus minus minus. No need to learn the next formulas, we just write it, put the negative sign in single one formula. So C, next is 2ca. That means this CA, C is Z with negative and A is X, and again there will be minus because Z is negative. Now see the next concept. See students, this there values are given, some we have to find. Now if I take this statement, see A plus B plus C, A square, I write this formula. Now in this sum, A plus B plus C is given P, AB, BC plus CA is given Q, and I have to find A square, B square, C square. That means I will write the just formula first right way, nothing C, just write first formula. Then see what is given. A plus B plus C is given P. If there is square, that means it become P square. This as it because we have to find it. Then 2AB, BC, CA is there, and this value is equals to Q given. Now I have to find this value, that means this 2q will go to that side and become negative. Then it become p square minus 2q, and a square plus b square plus c square we have to find. That is so simple. Next, first concept, like this one, x plus 8, x plus n. We have not to find the square, we have to just solve it. Then we will use this identity. Non-expanded, just x multiply this, no need. Just we have to use this a, x square, the value of a is 8, the value of b is 10, a plus b with x and ab. That means it become x square plus 10 plus 8 become 18x, then a multiply b, that means 8 multiply 10 become 80, and this become our. Please try to do it. Okay, thank you.